It's Thursday, which means it's spelling test day. So you'll get your paper, you'll write your name on top. And then you'll number 1 to 10. And 1 to 5. I will give you some words that have blends, some words that have doubles at the end, as well as some plural words that you'll write down in the first column. You need to make sure that you spell them correctly and that you mark them correctly. Just a reminder that if it's a blend, it has an arc. If it's a vowel, it has an A. If it is a plural, even if it has those things, you don't mark those things, you just write the plural form and underline the letter. So that's how you're going to get the marking points for that one, is just to write the word. Like if 5 was glasses, you would not mark the GL and the A. You would actually just underline the plural. So that's how you'll mark your plural words. And then I'm going to give you our 5 most common words, followed by 2 sentences, and then you'll have some bonus things that you can do. Okay? Okay, so your first word is plan. Number 1, right here, they work as plan. We plan to study together. Go ahead and write that word down and mark it, and you can pause while you're doing that. Number 2 is drop. Try not to drop the cake. Drop. Number 3 is scan. You can scan the landscape with a scope. Scan. Number 4 is skip. She doesn't skip the credits when she watches the movie. Skip. Number 5 is cast. The cast on my friend's leg was pink. Cast. Number 6, scraps. My dog eats scraps of food off the floor. Scraps. Remember that you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Scraps. Number 7, twin. Fran has a twin. Twin. Number 8, losses. The team only has 2 losses. Losses. Number 9, bluff. My teacher called my bluff when I said the dog ate my homework. Bluff. And jazz. New Orleans is the birthplace of jazz music. Jazz. Okay, here we go with your most common words. Remember, if you need to back up the video and rewatch any of those, you can. Also remember to double check your markings. Okay, number 1 over here on our most common words is other. We had other plans, other. Number 2, many. My many students do really well in their word work. Many. Number 3 is done. I am done trying to get everything done by 4 o'clock. Done. Number 4, their. Their house is gray and white. There. Number 5, there. Over there is where we have recess. There. Okay, make sure you have hearts on all the words in the right places. Okay, so here we go with your sentences. Your first sentence that you need to write down is, the twins are in their classes. The twins are in their classes. Listen again. The twins are in their classes. Remember to check your punctuation and capitalization. And you can pause if you need to finish writing that sentence, or if you need to listen to it again, you can back up. Your second sentence is, Cliff lost the pads for his drum set. Cliff lost the pads for his drum set. One more time. Cliff lost the pads for his drum set. Okay, that is your sentences. Now it's time for your bonus questions. Your first bonus question is to spell and mark the word dwib. Dwib. And your last bonus points are, write the date of today, so today's date, with the correct capitalization and comma. Write today's date with the correct capitalization and comma. Okay, get the little checklist from Miss Hackney and check to see if you did it correctly, and then you can go through and make sure everything's marked and spelled correctly, and you can go on to your Reading Horizon sheet.